Zapier Enterprise Tutorial: Automations that US companies actually use. So let's talk about the Zapier Enterprise. Zapier Enterprise Plan is built to scale automation across large businesses, giving teams the power to build and manage workflows safely with oversight and governance. So let's talk about its useful enterprise workflows for US workers. So here are its practical workflows. It offers team boarding and provisioning of automations. It has a new source of SCIM plus SSO to automatically provision new employees to Zapier with correct roles. It also offers an automated reporting plus analysis. You can build Zaps to pull data from CRM, project tools, and send weekly summary reports to executives or stakeholders. It also offers data orchestrations and AI enrichments, which uses the AI by Zapier in workflows when a new lead is added in CRM. It also cleans up messy data, automate validation, and transform the formats. And it also offers collaboration across teams. So how do you use it? So first, you need to sign up and log in using your Zapier account, using your email or whatever business email you use for Zapier Enterprise. Now you will be able to go to this button right here by talking to an expert. So if you click this, you'll be redirected to this website right here, where you need to fill up some data in order to contact their team in order to proceed with the Zapier Enterprise. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification